Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a no makeup look. I know I have an everyday makeup look on my YouTube channel. I'll link it somewhere here. That video is more if I am like going for lunch or like actually doing something with my day, whereas this makeup look is something where if I need to pop to the shop or I have to go to the doctor or I have to do something where I need to look a little bit more presentable. This is the type of look I am going to show you how to do. I realise my background is completely different in every bloody video that I do. As some of you know and some of you might not know, I live in Toronto, Canada, and Connor loves redecorating. So I came home yesterday and my room was just completely changed around. This is what we're working with now. Hopefully in the next few months when I sort some things out, I'll have like a proper setup and a backdrop, and yeah, but this is what we're working with now. I always get like comments being like, I had a comment yesterday being like, real life Oompa Loompa. Yeah, get over it, okay? Shit happens, tan goes scaldy. Sorry, not sorry kind of thing. Okay, so we're gonna jump straight into this. So I have nothing on my face now. I have a little bit of moisturizer, but other than that, nothing. Obviously have all my tan on, because sure why else wouldn't we? I'm gonna start off with skin. So I don't have very well, except this, I don't have very problematic skin. My skin is very dry, so it doesn't produce a lot of oil, so I don't find I get spots very easily. I might get like one around that time of the month and all that, but other than that my skin is just dry, clear but dry, you know. So I don't have to do a lot of concealing or anything, but sometimes I do like just to cover a few freckles, just to make my skin look a little bit more like airbrushed kind of with no makeup on, if this is making sense. I'm going to take my concealer. So the concealer that I'm using at the moment is the MAC, it's the MAC Pro Longwear concealer, and this is in shade NC30. I'm just going to take this on my finger, my ring finger, and I'm just going to start dotting it where I want to do a little bit more concealing. So I'll do like under the eyes, my forehead, and like a little bit around my nose. And then I'll still use my finger and just blend it all in. It's hard to get into the inner corners with nails on. Oh. Just gonna cover some of my freckles, and not that there's anything wrong with freckles. I love during the summer when I get loads of freckles from the sun, but this is just going to give me a more like put together appearance. Like I said, because my skin is dry, I don't like to use a lot of powder. I use powder on an everyday basis, but it's just to set the foundation. It's not more to like control any oils or anything. We're going to skip powder today, and I'm going to go straight in with bronzer. Bronzer that I'm going to use, the MAC Give Me Sun. I feel like people used MAC in YouTube tutorials years ago, and now here's me only jumping on the bandwagon now. But yeah, I'm just going to take that and I'm just going to start warming up kind of the outside of my face. Get that double chin. Yeah, so I like to do this type of makeup look on holidays. It's sunny, it's sweating, you don't want to cake on a load of makeup, so this is something I'll do just to make myself look a little bit more alive during the day. This is literally going to be the quickest video ever. That is all the bronzing that I'm going to do. I'm going to go on to eyebrows next. I love a really structured, really intense brow, on a night out or just during the day anyway. But with this type of look, I feel like it just looks so strange if I do a really intense harsh brow and then everything else is kind of natural. So I don't like to go too heavy, but I do like to give them a little bit more definition than what they are. I'm just taking this is the NYX brow, I don't even know, what is it called? NYX Tinted Brow Mascara, and I'm taking that in the shade Expresso, and I'm just going to run that through my brows first. This is just going to help, well, it's going to help the hair stay in place, but it's also going to obviously darken the hairs up a little bit because it is a tinted colour. And I just like to brush them up. So you could leave them like this if you'd be happy enough with that, if you're into like a fluffy brow. I'm not, because I just think, I don't know, I just don't like it on myself. So I am going to go in with some brow gel. The gel that I'm going to use is the MAC Fluid Line Brow Gel Creme in Deep Dark Brunette. And I'm just going to take it on an angled brush. I'm not going to do like a severe brow like I usually do. I'm just going to concentrate this product more towards the back of the brow. We're not going carving them out or anything today. So just towards the back. Just to give it a little bit more shape. And like so. So you can see it's just a little bit more defined. This brow is obviously more fluffy. And then this one just has a little bit more structure. So I didn't add any product to the front of the brow. And I'm just going to do the exact same on the other side. And then I like to take a spoolie just to comb everything through. And I'm going to take the brown mascara one last time just to make sure everything's set in place. And we have no little bald spots. So you can see the front of my brow, like there's little to no product. I can't speak today, there's something wrong with me. Like that. Next then I'm gonna go on to mascara. I don't like to wear like eyeshadow or anything. Sometimes if I'm feeling like very bronzed and I want to look, oh my god, look over here. If I'm feeling very bronzed and I want to look, I want to kind of tie everything together, I might run a small little bit of bronzer through my crease, but today I'm not. So I'm just going to take some mascara. This is just the MAC False Lash. And I'm only going to do my top lashes. So I find when you do your top lashes, like with a look like this, I find if you just do your top lashes and not the bottom, it really like opens up the eyes. It really like, yeah, you know what I'm trying to say? Really opens up the eyes, makes you look more awake and fresh. Like that. Look at the difference. I already look like I'm awake and been on a jog and whatever else. I also don't like to do my bottom lashes when I'm doing makeup like this, just because I find it transfers a lot. I find like no matter what mascara I wear, it just always ends up on my face. And I just poke myself in the eye. Going back to the skin, I'm going to take some highlighter. So the one, what did I use today? Yeah, so I like to take some highlighter. So I'm going to use the one out of the Bbold, oh you can see outside. I'm going to use the one from the Bbold highlight and contour kit. So get a highlighter, bronzer and a contour shade. So I'm just going to take the highlighter and I'm just going to give myself a little bit of a glow. I'm going to freshen up the skin. The last thing that I like to do is lips. I don't like to go in with any like lip liner or lipstick or anything. No. I'm going to take just a little bit of lip balm first. So what's this one? This is the Nivea Lip Butter in Raspberry. You need to get this. Oh my god, I've never smelled anything like it. Connor absolutely loves it. But I'm just going to pop a little bit of that on first. And then I'm going to take a gloss. I love plumping glosses. I absolutely love them. I think they're just... I love the feeling. I don't even know if they work properly or not, but I just absolutely love them. So this one is the Sexy Mother Pucker from Soap and Glory. And this is in shade Candy Queen. It's kind of like a pinky, nudie type of colour. But this is the one that makes your lips like tingle. So I like that. Lash some of this on. And that is more or less it for my no makeup look. All the products that I used, I will have them all listed down below. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, any suggestions for stuff that you want to see on my channel, please do let me know down below. If you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe. Hello, my name is Ellie. And if you are a subscriber here, make sure you like if you did like it. But I will see you all in my next video.